Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the default settings on your PlayStation 5. So just go up to Settings in the top right, going down to System, go to the right and go to where it says Reset Options. Then we have the option to restore default settings right here. And you're going to have to type in the default password 0000 unless you change this. So I did not, so I'm going to type this in, square, 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 square. And these are all the settings that are going to be reset. So you can look through here. You're going to have to sign back in with your email address and password. So just make sure you have that. And then your system settings are going to be disconnected to the internet, your storage, screen, and video. So if you are having an issue, this is probably what you want to do before you actually factory reset it. So you got reset your console right here. This is factory reset where it deletes all your data. You're going to have to put your account back on your PlayStation, etc. So just do this option first and see if that works. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.